In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Plus500 Overnight Funding. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the key details that affect the cost of holding a CFD position after the daily cutoff. Overnight funding, sometimes called a rollover or swap, is a small charge or credit applied when you keep a position open past a specific time each day. It varies by instrument and by whether you're buying or selling, and it can change over time as market conditions shift. Understanding where this information lives in the platform helps you plan your trades with confidence. First, log in to Plus500 using either the web trader on your browser or the mobile app on your phone or tablet. The layout is slightly different between devices, but the process is the same. Once you're signed in, make sure you're on the main trading screen so you can search for markets. Next, use the search bar to find the instrument you want to trade. You can type something like EUR/USD if you're looking at Forex, or gold if you're interested in commodities. You can also browse indices, shares, and other categories. Select the exact instrument you're considering so you see its specific information. Right beside the instrument's name, look for the small Details icon, usually shown as a lowercase I inside a circle. On the web platform, you'll click it. On mobile, tap it. This opens a panel or screen that shows instrument-specific information you'll want to review before placing a trade. In the Trading Info section of that Details view, you'll find two essential items. The first is the overnight funding time. This is the daily cutoff when any open positions in that instrument may receive a charge or a credit. It's the moment that determines whether your trade counts as held overnight. The time is displayed within the platform, and it can differ by instrument, so always check it directly rather than assuming it's the same for everything. The second item is the daily overnight funding percentage for buy and sell positions. You'll see two separate percentages. One applies if you open a buy, long position, and the other applies if you open a sell, short position. These reflect the daily rate applied to your position's value when it spans the overnight funding time. Depending on the instrument and market conditions, these rates may result in a charge or a credit, and they can change, so it's a good idea to revisit them periodically. That's all you need to locate and understand overnight funding on Plus500. Check these details before you trade so you can plan how long you intend to keep positions open and manage costs effectively.